Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera to all my students. Okay, for our lesson today, I would like to teach you about the subtopic 13.2, the probability theory involving equally likely outcome. Okay, so you can refer this one in your math textbook, page 280. Okay, so look at this one, subtopic 13.2.1, the sample space for an experiment. Okay, before starting a football game, the referee usually flip the coin to decide the team that will start the game. Why does the referee use a coin and not dice or others object? Okay, what is the sample space of the possible outcome of the flipping a coin? So the sample space actually is the possible outcome. So for this situation, the possible outcome of flipping a coin, it is either head or tail. Because we know a coin has only two faces, that is the head and tail. Okay, so all right. Okay, now look at this one. uh, some flashback here. You have to know this one, the notation for set. Okay, it is like this. Okay, let's say we have set A equal to odd number less than 10. So set A equal to, okay, so the odd number less than 10, it is equal to the number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, so you can write like this, the element for the set A. Use the set notation here. So this one actually you already learned during form 1. Okay, so look at this one. When a fair dice is thrown, the number that is shown is either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Although the number shown is repeated, it is still in the range of 1 to 6. The outcome list for the thrown fair dice consists numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the sample space for the thrown fair dice is, okay, so capital S here refer to the sample space equal to, okay, use set notation to write all the possible outcome for the element for the sample space here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, all right, so next, look at this one. Okay, this one is known as the tree diagram. Okay, so what is diagram? A tree diagram can be used to show the flow of a process. It is used to organize and calculate the probability of an event happening. So this one, a tree diagram. So we have a box A. We have box A, one box. So inside the box A, we have only one card, number 2. So in box B, we have three cards, uh, number 3, number 5, and number 7. Okay, so when you pick a card randomly, you might get pairs like the one shown in the tree diagram above. So like this one. Okay, let's say. Okay, so for this one, if you pick a card from the box A and box B, you might get this one, card number 2, and card number 3, and also card number 2, card number 5, and card number 2, card number 7. Okay, this one is all the possible outcome from the this situation. So this one we call as the pair number obtained. Okay, so the possible outcome of the activities is known as a sample space. Okay, capital S, sample space equal to, okay, so remember for the sample space, you have to use the set notation like this. So inside the set notation, you have to write all the possible outcome. So you have to write this one in bracket 2, 3, in bracket 2, 5, in bracket 2, 7. Okay, so by definition, sample space is a set of all possible outcome of an experiment. Okay, all right. So look at this one. Okay, event is a set of a possible outcome that fulfills certain condition for a sample space and is a subset for the sample space. Okay, so some flashback here, what you already learned during form 1. So let's say set A equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, set B equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. So this one, for the set A, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, it is an element for set A. So the number of the element for set A equal to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 5 number of element for set A. So the number of element for set A, you can write like this. Use smaller n for the numbers for the numbers of element. So in bracket capital A for the set A, so equal to 5. Then the number of element for the set B, you can write like this. Okay, smaller n in bracket capital B equal to 4. Okay, because this one, if you calculate the number of element for the set B, it is a 4. Okay, so look at this one, example 1. Okay, one letter is randomly chosen from the word sempurna. List the possible outcome and write the sample space for the experiment. State the number of elements in the sample space. So to solve that one, okay, you must know in the word sempurna is made up of 8 different letters. Okay, if you calculate, there is different letter from the word sempurna. So the possible outcome are S, E, M, P, U, R, and A. Okay, so the sample space, which is equal to capital S, it is equal to, okay, use set notation to write the sample space. So inside the set notation there, you have to write all the possible outcome for the word sempurna, which is equal to the letter S, E, M, P, U, R, and A. Okay, so the number of element in the sample space, okay, remember smaller n refer to the number of the element in bracket capital S. Sample space equal to 8. Why 8? You have to calculate the number of letter inside the word sempurna equal to 8. Alright, so we go for the next one. Okay, example 2. A number is chosen randomly from the prime number between 20 to 40. List the possible outcome and write the element in the sample space for this experiment. State the number of elements in the sample space. So how to solve this one? Firstly, you must know, you must know what is the prime number. You must know what is the prime number. Prime number is the numbers starting from number 2. Okay, starting from the number 2. So the prime number is the numbers which is only can divide by itself only with no balance. Okay, that means the number, if you divide by itself, that means no balance. Then the number cannot be divided by the other number except itself only. Okay, so that is the prime number. So you must list all the prime number from the range number 20 to 40. So the prime number are between 20 to 40 are number 23, 29, 31, and 37. Okay, all right. So after that, what to do? All right, question asks you to list the possible outcome. So the sample space for this situation, sample space, use symbol capital S for sample space equal to, use set notation like this. Then inside the set notation, you have to write down the all possible outcome, which is here. The prime number between 20 to 40, which is 23, 29, 31, 37. So the number of elements in sample space, okay, smaller n in bracket capital S, it is equal to 4. Okay, because if you calculate here, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 4. Okay, so that's the answer for example 2. Okay, next look at example 3 then. A school cooperative sell brand P pencil. The eraser that are sold are red, green, blue, and yellow. Paling want to buy a pencil and one eraser. With the help of the tree diagram, list the possible outcome and write the element in the sample space of the item bought by Paling. State the number of pair. So the solution for this one, okay, firstly you have to draw the tree diagram. So how to draw this one? Okay, firstly, cooperative sell brand P pencil. So for the pencil, we only have one brand P. So okay, so write like this P. Then after that, the school operatives also sell 3 color of eraser, which is red, green, blue, and yellow. So you have to write like this: red, green, blue, and yellow. And don't forget to draw the arrow like this. Okay, for the tree diagram, starting from the pencil P to the eraser red, and also to the eraser green color, and also to the blue eraser, and also to the yellow eraser, and the outcome here. So how to know the outcome here? So the outcome you have to write in the bracket here. So the outcome firstly surely is the pencil P, comma, 1 eraser R for this one. And for this one, the outcome is pencil P, comma, eraser green color. And for this one, the outcome is pencil P. You have to write in bracket pencil P, comma, eraser blue color. And for this one, the outcome is pencil P, okay, in bracket pencil P, comma, the eraser yellow color. Okay, the outcome for this one. And step 2, you have to list all the elements in the sample space. So like this, use a symbol capital S for the sample space equal to use set notation. So in the set notation, you have to write all the possible outcome here. This one is the all possible outcome. Okay, so you have to write in bracket P, comma R, in bracket P, comma G, in bracket P, comma B, and in bracket P, comma Y. Then what is the number of element in the sample space? It is equal to 4. Okay, because if you calculate this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 4. Okay, so that's the answer for question 3. Okay, all right, let's look at question 4. Example 4, one card has been chosen from the box containing card with number 1 to 9. Determine whether the event below may occur. Okay, 1, number bigger than 5. So you have to determine whether this event will occur or not occur. So the number bigger than 5. So we have the card which is starting number 1 to 9. So surely the event may occur because there is a number bigger than 5, which is number 6, 7, 8, and 9. So the answer for 1 may occur. Yeah. So the answer for 2, question 2, 2-digit number. So 2-digit number. So if you see the sample space here is the number 1 to 9. So this one, the sample space for this one is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there is no 2-digit number inside the sample space. So that means this event 2 will not occur, may not occur. So that's why the answer may not occur. And question 3, the factor of 15. So you have to find out in the factor of 15, is there any number which is factor of 15? Yes, we have the number which is number 3, number 5, and number 3, number 5, and also number just two number 3 and 5. So because there is a number which is factor of 15 in the sample space, so that means the 3 there, the event for the question 3 may occur. So the answer is may occur. All right. Okay, now look at the next lesson. Okay, so I think I will stop here until example 4 for our lesson today. All right. Okay, now for your exercise today. Okay, for your exercise today. Okay, I want you to answer question self-practice 13.2. Okay, please answer self-practice 13.2. Question number 1. Question number 2 and also question number 3. Okay, please answer these 3 questions in your math exercise book. You can use either maths 1 or maths 2 or maths 3. So after you finish this exercise, please submit the answer to me. You can snap the pictures of your homework, then submit to me through the Telegram for your homework today. Okay, so if you have any question about the lesson today and also about the exercise, you can ask me in the Telegram. Okay, all right. So thank you, class.